Adjust customer opening balances. There can be several reasons why a customer's opening balance may need to be adjusted, including data entry errors, changes in accounting policies, new information, mergers and acquisitions, reclassification of accounts, or due to correction of historical transactions. You can access this function from Customers, Special, Adjust Opening Balances. Select the customer. System will display current opening balance. You can enter the new opening balance if you want to change. In this example, we have changed to 20,000 from 10,000. You need to enter the reason why you are changing customer opening balance, and you can select opening balance as a date and save. Then your customer opening balance will change to new opening balance. You can generate customer transactions report to this customer. Go to Customers, Reports, Customer Transactions. You can see this customer opening balance has changed to 20,000.